What up, fam? It's your boy Dooley, aka Mr. Do Work. I am excited because I got a package from one of my favorite people on YouTube. He's the one that inspired me and helped me get started on the beard game. I know this is a fitness channel, however, for me, I told you guys what it's all about. It is about faith, family, fitness, lifestyle, fashion. That's what it encompasses. So today I got a package from Be With The Beard, but the company is called, let me make sure I get this right, Black Men's Grooming Den. So I'm going to make sure I unbox this, tell you guys about their stuff, and you may see him and I doing more. We collab. I appreciate what he's doing. He appreciates what I'm doing. You know what? We don't hate on each other. We're not crabs in a bucket pulling people down. What we do, we inspire and motivate and lift other people up. Let's open this bad boy up. Evan Alexander, Fine Grooming. Says, thank you for trusting me to assist you on your beard journey. I'd like to know what you think, and most importantly, for you to tag and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Already do, bro. Appreciate you guys. Yes, a wooden comb. I almost literally bought one the other day. Good looking. Wow, the quality is ridiculous. It's nice. It's got some weight to it, but it's very smooth. What's the big deal about a wooden comb? Wide tooth. With wooden combs, they're smoother and sleeker. They won't snag on your beard. This goes right through. See that? Super smooth, and it feels good actually. Number two, gentle massage. Legitimately, it feels good. And what it says is that it massages from the root to the tip, which helps with blood flow to your skin, your beard, your face, all that. I'm not a beard connoisseur, so I'm going to just go off a list of things that I read up on. Number three, oil redistribution. So the wood soaks up the oil that is in your beard, keeps this kind of moist, nice, smooth, and redistributes that oil back to your beard and your skin. So that's a great plus. With plastic, you're not going to get that. Number four is very durable. It's handcrafted, and it says a wooden comb is extremely durable and can last a lifetime if it's well taken care of. So you buy one of these, you're good. You're golden for a long time, unless you're just hard on stuff. Five would be no static. Wooden combs won't have static. A lot of the plastic combs, they have static, and then they snag on your beard and break off the hairs, and you don't want that. Especially as a black man at that, we have curly hair, and so if it gets dry, it could be brittle, and then if you take a plastic comb right through it, next thing you know, you snap it off your beard and breaking off your beard. You don't want that. You don't want to have split ends, period. That's why you want to have a wooden comb. Okay, there's a whole routine in this joint. I'm going to pull outside of the comb, beard oil. They sent the beard oil, moisturizing charcoal beard wash. My hydration, I hear Be With The Beard talk about this all the time. And my balm. Where should it focus? There you go. I have to say I like the presentation. There's something about blue. It's calming, it's cool, it's modern, it's fresh. I'm telling you, if you guys don't know who Be With The Beard is, you guys check his YouTube channel. I'm gonna put it down at the bottom, but you gotta check out his stuff. He's knowledgeable, he knows what he's doing. Evan Alexander, you guys gotta follow them. I'm gonna test these out and let you guys know how good it is. First, the beard oil. If it'll focus. My serum. This is the My Wash. So obviously you wash your face with this. It's a moisturizing charcoal beard wash. There's water, organic sunflower oil, organic coconut oil, potassium citrate, citric acid, activated coconut charcoal, fragrance. Next up we have My Hydration. Let's focus.
My hydration.
Sorry, that's my wife in the background. It's a beard leave-in conditioner. Then we have My Balm. Focus game. Let's go. Bang. Which is a beard balm. And it's beard, skin, lip for you ashy lip cats out there. And for tattoos. So this is more than just a beard balm.
Bong or bomb?
Balm.
Oh.
What?
Wasn't sure what you said.
Well, if you were listening.
I was listening.
Or just paying attention.
I was listening.
Not interrupting my YouTube
I was
video.
Listening.
Here. That's who's doing that. My wife. Trying to film a video here, guys. This is what I have to deal with on a regular basis. Anyways.
You're fortunate.
Yes, I'm fortunate.
To have
there you guys go.
Deal with.
About this, on the back of it, you can see the guys there. But it tells you the morning routine. So what you need to use is My Wash 1 to 2 times weekly. My Hydration daily, My Balm daily, and then obviously the wooden pick and comb. For nighttime, you use My Hydration, My Serum, wooden pick, comb, obviously, and try to sleep on satin pillowcases. These dudes ain't playing, bro. This is serious business. The beard game ain't no joke. So this is what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna do the nighttime routine. I'm gonna use the My Hydration and the My Serum, and then comb with the wooden pick. I don't have satin pillowcases yet, but in the future I'll get that. But I'll let you guys know. Let's check it out. Alright guys, I just got finished dampening my beard a little bit with cold water. So I washed my face and I got my beard wet, but I let it dry a little bit. So I pat dried it down, and I have the routine. I'm gonna follow it thoroughly, exactly how they tell me to do it. Let's check it out. Alright, first up, my hydration. This thing smell though. Ooh, it's got a nice refreshing smell. Now, let me tell you this. For those brothers who are married or have a girlfriend and you got a beard, the scent makes a big difference. If it doesn't smell good, and if your wife or girl isn't feeling it, you can't even use the product. I think my wife will like this, but we'll see. Let's get some of this. So it says, work thoroughly into a slightly damp beard, leaving your beard. Do not rinse out. For best result, apply evenly. Now we have the beard oil, and it says to apply 2 to 3 drops of beard serum into the palm of your hands. Massage evenly into your beard and skin. Style with a brush, comb, or pick. Shake it up. 2 to 3. 1, 3. Wow, this stuff smells bomb. Dang! Yo, you guys did the darn thing on this. It's like a cologne, but you know, like a fresh, sweet smelling cologne. Not too much, not too musky. Oh Man. Time for the wooden comb. There you have it. Guys, I am thoroughly pleased. Look at the shine on that bad boy. Healthy. Super soft. It smells so good. I'm not lying. Y'all know I'm not lying. I don't gotta preface and tell you that. This stuff is off the hook. We'll see how it feels when I wake up in the morning, and then I'll do the morning routine. Much love. Yo, B with the beard, bro. You guys killed this. Evan Alexander, go check them out. Much love to them. Show them some love. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Let's go to 10K. Everyone say 10K with me. That's where we're going next. Share this with everyone and let other people know that they need to follow this channel. Much love. It's your boy Dooley. I'm out.